This is HTML. This is CSS. And this is JavaScript. These three combined are used to create wonderful websites, such as this. In today's video, we are going to discuss HTML tags, and finally write a bit of code. HTML, also known as Hypertext Markup Language, as defined by Wikipedia, is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed on the browser. It is often assisted with CSS and JavaScript. If I inspect, we see HTML tags, which tell the browser how to treat each one of them. When the browser sees the image tag, it recognizes this and is being told to treat it like an image. HTML tags are written inside angle brackets, and most of these tags have opening and closing, while others don't. For example, the break tag doesn't have a closing tag. The horizontal row HR doesn't have a closing tag, and also the image tag doesn't have the closing tag. So let's write our very own code to see how it works. This is just an introductory video, so I won't be going deep into details. Create a new folder in whatever IDE you're using, and inside a folder an HTML file. This can have any name of your choice, but I'll use index for this example. Just ensure you add the right file extension, which is .html. Once that's done, hold Shift and 1, then press enter. Inside the body tag, I'll write h1 tag with the content of trying HTML, then h2 with the content of it's so fun, h5 very fun, and a p tag, an anchor tag, and finally an unordered list. If I run this and inspect on the browser, you see that we're basically telling the browser what each of these tags are and how they should be presented. A lot of time and effort was put into making this. If you've watched this to the very end, a like and subscribe will be rightfully appreciated. See you guys in the next one.